Hi guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturday. For this recipe, you will need meat, medium-sized tomatoes. I have a mixture of bell peppers, green, red, orange, and yellow. You can choose whatever color you want. I also have green beans. They're frozen. So my vegetables, I usually buy them, I cut it and I freeze them. So these actually they're fresh, they're brand new fresh. I just cut them and freeze them myself. Leek leaves, 2 medium-sized onions, 6 regular-sized carrots. Just so you know, you don't have to put the leek leaves and the carrots and the green beans. I personally like mine with all of those. You can put as many vegetables as you would like. It's the garlic, red pepper flakes, oil. You need salt, white pepper, black pepper. Some of the dry ingredients I like are oregano leaves, parsley leaves, cilantro, basil. If you do use cubes, you can add some. If you don't have all of these spices that I've listed here, another way you can actually substitute that is by grabbing one of these, either the fajitas seasoning or the tiarita seasoning. If you like that little sweetness, you can add any of this. So here I have the Thai sweet chili sauce, and I have the original habanero mango pepper sauce. Whatever you're gonna eat with, I'm gonna eat mine with rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that beef broth that I boiled. I'm gonna use some Thai sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna add some of that in to just have that kick of sweetness. I'm gonna add two to three, actually 3
teaspoons of this.